Hey, what's up, good people? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you doing, good peoples? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today, the Fed is actually, excuse me, Fed is, the FOMC meeting is going on, though we won't hear from the Fed until tomorrow, right? So the Fed meeting is going on, the FOMC meeting. But we won't hear from him until tomorrow. Excuse my eyes; these allergies are kicking my butt. First day of spring means first day of suffering for us allergy holders. But hey, we got work to do. All right, good people. Let's go right to it. Look at this. Look at these regional banks. Look at First Republic Bank up. Let's just say 30%. Look at some of these regional banks are popping this morning. Why? Because Jamie Dimon is trying to help. Don't adjust your TV screens. It is 1975. Jamie Powell's trying to help First Republic, right? And so that's why it's popping like that. Okay, so I just want to discuss a few things, and we will close right into opening bell. Good morning, good people. Good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna have to create a good morning song, y'all. I got to do it like a good morning song. So listen. Here's what I want to say about First Republic. I rolled over into some major banks. I started buying some major banks pre-market, all right? JP Morgan being one of them, and PAC. What's the name of that bank? It's called PAC because it's just less risky. And let's see here, PACWP. This is the bank I'm looking at. Can we see that one? Right. And the reason why I'm rolling over in my option plays, I got stumped out on First Republic. I had stop losses and I got stumped out yesterday. And because we have to stick to our disciplines, win or lose, we have to stick to our disciplines. Now, I want to say this. Hey, there's my buddy Ron Lewis. That's my buddy Ron Lewis. What's up, Ron? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good friend of mine. One of my best friends, Ron Lewis. Good to see you. Hey, listen. So I'm going to say this as it pertains to not just options, but just plays in general, but especially options, right? So if you're doing options and you do 10 plays, right? And you do 9 plays at $1,000, right? But then you go into your 10th play and you do $11,000 all on that one play, then you will blow up your entire account. It is important for us to stick to our disciplines, right? So this is just me. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. If you do somewhat equal amounts on all your plays and you're winning 75% of the time, you're winning. As a matter of fact, if you do the exact same amount, you only have to win 51% of the times and you're winning, right? And so that's what I want you guys to know. And so don't go into gamble mode, because when you go into gamble mode, you get burned, right? So if you lose 25, if you win an 80 and you lose 20, then you're still winning bigly, all right? And so this is just a lesson in disciplines and not getting just crazy. Now, I will tell you, if Jamie Dimon does not come up with a good idea today, it could turn around and plummet again, right? It was down over 50% yesterday. And so that's why it's so risky. So I'm risk off, though I'm still playing the financials. I am in a less risky because I know how to make my money and I know how to make my money back. Here's another rule that I'm going to tell you guys. If you lose some money in one play, you don't have to focus in on that one play to make your money back. Sometimes there's opportunities elsewhere that are less risky and the reward outweighs the risk. So you can move your plays over, right? Look at the big banks, the JP Morgans and the Morgan Stanleys. They are not down anywhere close to these regional banks, right? And I'll tell you also this. I'm hitting you with some strategies right off the bat. Most of the big money, first hour of the day, last hour of the day, they're out. And that's when I do most of my trading. First hour of the day, I do my trading. And in the middle of the day, it's the truth. Amateurs are playing in the middle of the day. And then at the end of the day. And I'll go even deeper. The beginning of the week and the end of the week, really. Most of the riskier plays are in the middle. Look at that. First Republic was up 30%. Now it's 25%. You see these gainers. So these are the top S&P gainers, right? And so I just wanted to hit you guys off with that. These are some things that I want you guys to, good morning. Good morning. I just want to mention some things because a lot of people don't know. Yep. I appreciate you guys. A lot of you guys don't know that. And I just wanted to tell you guys that, Tampa. Hey, good morning. Long Island. Okay. I won't be able to do a meet and greet, but I'm going to be sneaking into New York. Yup. And I'm going to drive through Brooklyn and let down the window. I'm going to be like, yo, I'm from Brooklyn, son. I'm not. I'm from Chicago. I just like saying that. So that's what I want to tell you guys about some disciplines. And so we don't want just the hot plays, but we want to learn how to make money long term and not just one day, right? So look at this, good people. Look at crypto. Bitcoin, 28. Holding strong, right? Just holding strong. Now, we know there is a guy who put a couple of $1 million and said Bitcoin is going to 100K in 90 days, right? All right. Now, y'all know that sound kind of crazy, right? But I can guarantee you somebody's chasing that. And it causes you to go into FOMO mode. And that's just not really, it's just not cool right now. Remember, you do you, just in case it happens. But I'm not doing that. Yes, sir. Queen. Love you, Queen. Smash the like button. Yes. All right. Let's look at the pre-markets. Look at the Dow. It's another green day so far. Opening bell is going to be green. We up 327 on the Dow. S&P is back above 4,000. Look at that. Okay. NASDAQ is up. Gold is down. Crude oil is up today. Oil has been up and gold has been up. Oil is trying to come back a little bit because it was performing horribly. And gold is back. Gold was performing horribly, right? All right. Shopping. Hey, pick me up some fruit, Mommy Trader. Mommy said I'm listening while trading. All right, we got a few minutes. Let's talk about what's going to happen tomorrow. All right, Fed Jerome Powell. He is going to give his interest rate hike, right? Or not. We'll talk about that in a minute. And so 25 basis points is on the table. As a matter of fact, forgive the quality of this photo. I took this this morning. Where is that at? I don't know if you guys could see that. But 84% says that a 25 basis point interest rate hike is priced in. See that? And 16% says no change. So 84% believe that 25 basis points is priced in. Right? I do too. I believe it's priced into the market. The market is reacting and it's already priced in. And the market will probably be mostly flat if 25 basis points come in, or flat to green. If he goes up 50 basis points, it's going to tank the market tomorrow. Tomorrow will tank the market if he does that. There is a very slim chance of him going up 50 basis points. Now, some people are causing calling for him, the banking industry is calling for him to go neutral. And some now are calling for him to actually start reversing. Now, I said this, and a lot of the talking heads said, nope, nope, nope. It's going to, they're not going neutral at all, this year. You can't say that, because what I will say is that if this market tanks and he hurts the market enough, he will be reversing by the end of the year. And I've been saying that, and I'm going to continue to say that. They keep saying it's off the table. It's not off the table until it's off the table, right? So now his job was to do what he just did, continue to raise interest rates until something breaks. But I can tell you right now, banking industry is broke, right? You hope he goes 50, right? He does 50 basis points, say goodbye to banks. That's true. Now they're trying to come up with a plan where your deposits get covered regardless of the amount of your deposit, right? And so that's what they're trying to fight for right now. We can see right now that S&P is looking good. We got 1 minute. The Dow is looking good. Markets are going strong. For those of you that's been watching the page, you know what always happens before the interest rate hike. This happens just about all of the time the day before on the FOMC meeting, right? Let's not suffer from short-term memory. This happens all of the time. So at opening bell, I may do some calls, and I may be out of those calls within 30 to 45 minutes. And I'm going to see what the market tells me. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. That's why I'm going to end this one right at opening bell. But it won't be long, because in the middle of the day, it tends to change.
Now, we'll get to the Amazon pre-market reopening. Here at the real-time, take a look at the real-time exchange. Given what futures were looking like, you're going to get a lot more green on that board. Here at the big board, West Pharmaceutical Services celebrating its 100th anniversary as a company. Over at the NASDAQ, Microchip Technology celebrating its 30th listing anniversary, 30 years there. All right.
Okay,
By the way, Amazon
FRC is the fulcrum bank.
Was it 96?
FRC is the fulcrum bank here.
Yeah.
It reflects the uncertainty in its stock price. But David, if we don't get some clarity from the regulators, I mean, there can be some clarity.
So let's just remember to stick to our disciplines. All right. The big money is trading. Look at that. Looking good. Big money trades the beginning at opening bell, and they're on the golf courses throughout the middle of the day, and they come back at close. Look at the way the stock market moves, right? Big money mostly trades at the beginning of the week and at the end of the week, all right? I want you to start looking at the way these things go. Your most riskier plays are in the middle of the day and in the middle of the week. They just are. Check it out. All right, good people. All right, I'm going to leave it right there. Just like I said, this was brought to you by Stock Up University. Make sure you click the top link below in the description. Stock Up U. It is for you. I want you to learn more. I want you to learn about options. I want you to learn about charting from Stocks with Josh. I want you to learn about dividend investing from Mommy Trader, who's on this morning with us. All of that is in the cheapest class out there. The pricing will be going up soon, so take advantage of the current price, which is bigly discounted. All right, we're gonna leave it right there, good people. I love you guys, and we'll see you later on today. I will be live tomorrow, probably twice, probably 3 times. I'll probably go live 3 times. I'm gonna hit you guys in the morning. Then in the afternoon, the Fed does, he makes his interest rate hike speech and say how much he's going to go up or not. And then about less than an hour after that, that's when the dog and pony show starts. You guys remember, market usually goes up just before he starts speaking, depending on what he does with the interest rate hikes. And then the media starts asking him these questions. They try to get the got you questions, and they intentionally try to drive the market down. Now, you have to determine what plays you can get in to make money. I will tell you that is the absolute most dangerous time to be investing while the Fed is talking. The FOMC meeting is the absolute worst time for you to be trying to make moves. I will just put it out there. All right? I'll see you guys later today. Live, love, laugh, learn. Have a blessed day.